Do you want to know a simple trick that makes people respect you instantly? Most people walk into a room and go completely unnoticed. Their energy is weak, their presence forgettable. They fade into the background like shadows, barely making an impression on anyone around them. They speak, but their words don't carry weight. They act, but their actions don't leave a mark. They exist, but they don't command attention. But then there are those who enter a room, and everything changes. Eyes turn toward them. Conversations stop. Even strangers can sense their presence. It's not arrogance or aggression, it's a quiet, undeniable power. Respect comes to them effortlessly without a single word spoken. So, what's the difference? One simple shift. Do this and watch how people treat you differently from that moment on. Here's the truth. Society respects strength, not weakness. No one admires someone who shrinks into the background. The world operates on unspoken rules, dominance and submission, leaders and followers. Most people don't realize they're being judged instantly in meetings, social gatherings, even relationships. You might think people judge you by your words, but they really judge how you say them. Your tone, your posture, your confidence. If you speak too fast, hesitate, or try too hard to impress, people will see you as inferior. Once that label sticks, it's hard to change. You've already lost before you even begin. That's why some people command respect the second they walk in, while others struggle to be heard. It's not about luck or natural charm. It's about perception, and you can control it with the right techniques. But what if I told you? One small change in your body language could shift the power in your favor instantly. A single move that makes people respect you without saying a word. The secret? The power of the pause. The ability to control time in a conversation. Weak people rush to fill silence. They talk fast, afraid of being ignored. They ramble, hoping for approval. Their voices rise at the end of sentences, begging for validation. Instead of earning respect, they give away their power by trying too hard. But powerful people? They pause. They let silence work for them. They make others wait, anticipate, and respect them. This isn't just a trick, it's a weapon. Leaders, CEOs, and high-status individuals have used it for centuries. Think of the most powerful people you know, in history, business, or movies. They don't rush, they don't fidget, they don't waste words. Instead, they create an aura of control. Next time someone asks you a question, don't answer right away. Pause. Let the silence linger. Hold their gaze. Feel the tension build. Then speak, slowly with purpose. Watch how they lean in. Watch how the energy in the room shifts toward you. This isn't magic, it's psychology. In nature, the strongest creatures aren't the loudest. The lion doesn't roar before hunting, it moves in silence. True leaders don't beg for attention, they command it. Power moves slowly, power takes its time. Think of the most powerful people you've seen. They all share one trait: calm control. They never rush, they pause, they make people wait. That tension gives them power. When you pause, you send a message. I'm not desperate for your approval. I set the pace. And people instinctively respect that. The most successful men don't chase attention. They demand it. This technique isn't just about psychology. It's human nature. Silence makes people uncomfortable. Our brains hate uncertainty. A well-timed pause forces others to focus on you, to hang on your words. People value what's rare. When you speak less but with impact, your words carry more weight. The less you seek approval, the more people give it to you. Most people talk too fast. They stumble, they overshare, and they sound nervous. When you slow down, you stand out. Your presence grows stronger. Your voice becomes commanding. Slow, deliberate speech signals confidence and intelligence. It tells people, I am in control. Here's how to use this. Next time you're in a conversation with a friend, a stranger, or someone important, when they ask you something, pause. Just for 2 seconds. Don't fidget. Don't look away. Hold the silence. Then speak, clearly, confidently. Watch their reaction. See how they lean in. Notice how their energy changes to match yours. Try it once and you'll see the difference immediately. Do it every day and people will never treat you the same way again. Most people will ignore this advice. They'll keep talking fast, begging for attention, and wondering why they're overlooked. But those who master the pause, they rise above the noise. They command respect effortlessly. The choice is yours. Power isn't given. It's taken. It's earned. Those who understand the rules of dominance rise above the weak, the forgotten, and the ones who fade into the background. It's in your words, your movements, the energy you project. Those who control themselves control everything. Next time you enter a room, ask yourself, are you a force or just another face in the crowd? The pause isn't just silence, it's strength, a weapon, proof that you're in charge. Master it, and you master the game. So try it now in your next conversation. When you feel the shift, when you see the power, you'll never go back. Listen closely. Dark Mindset is a movement for those who want real power. Subscribe now or stay weak forever. The choice is yours.